Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Visa gift card for Spotify Premium. So let's get into the video. So open up Spotify. So once you've opened up Spotify and you have created your account here, so what you can do, so if you want to get for a Spotify Premium plan, so what you can do, simply go for the premium option, click on the premium option and click on get premium. So this will navigate you to this page here. So it's going to ask you how do you want to make the payment. So you can choose either Google Pay or Spotify. I will choose Spotify for this so that I can show you how to use the gift card. So I'll click on it and then it's going to get to the payment page here. So once you get to this payment page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to select, okay, you can select your address and address details, everything, you can choose that. And then what you're going to do, you're going to click on credit or debit card option, because then only you can use Visa card for this. So simply select credit or debit card option, and then what you have to do is plug in the details of your Visa card. So whatever your Visa card details here, just plug that in and then hit on buy now, and that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.